Trump-appointed Judge Aileen Cannon down in South Florida has now been hit with a lawsuit by the watchdog group American Oversight for continuing to hide the potentially criminal activities of Donald Trump. Now, for more than a year, Judge Cannon had been hiding Volume 1 of former Special Prosecutor Jack Smith's report on Donald Trump's alleged criminal activities. Volume 1 involved the documents that he took from Washington and hid them down there in the Mar-a-Lago bathroom. But eventually, through Smith's testimony, through all of that, through appeals, we got it. Volume 2, however, dealt with Donald Trump's actions before, during, and after the Capitol riot. And back in December, Judge Cannon, who was not involved in that case at all, but Judge Cannon ruled, nope, Volume 2 is going to stay hidden as well. You can't have it, you can't see it, you don't need it. So I'm putting in a ruling that says nobody can see Volume 2. So the watchdog group American Oversight said, yeah, that's not going to fly. And they filed a lawsuit with the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals asking them to please, for the love of God, overrule Cannon and release the report. Now, before I read a statement from the group's leader, let's get a couple things clear. Number one is that Judge Aileen Cannon had no legal basis for hiding either one of these reports, Volume 1 or Volume 2. There was no legal basis for it. The individuals involved had either already been prosecuted or had the charges against them dropped. So nobody is in any danger of getting prosecuted. Trump's president of the United States already, so it's not like it's going to damage him politically or otherwise. So there's no legal basis for hiding Volume 2 or Volume 1 or Volume 2. None. Second, Judge Cannon shouldn't have even had jurisdiction to rule on this. She was not involved in that investigation. She was not involved in that case. That was Judge Tanya Chutkan. This should have been Chutkan's decision, and I think we all know where she would have gone with it instead. But none of this makes any sense. So American Oversight has the law on their side. They have common sense on their side. They've got everything on their side, hopefully up to and including the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. But they're a mixed bag, and I don't know that they're going to go with it. But here is what American Oversight's executive director said in a statement. We will not allow the president and his guard dogs to bury information that belongs to the American people. For more than a year, Judge Cannon has kept the special counsel's final report under seal long after any legitimate claims by Trump's co-conspirators expired. By blocking our effort to challenge her gag order, the court handed President Trump a roadmap for burying the report through delay and procedural gamesmanship. As special counsel Jack Smith recently testified, the report documents powerful evidence that the president willfully retained highly classified information after leaving office, putting national security at risk. We are seeking immediate relief to reverse Judge Cannon's decision and prevent her from ruling on motions that would permanently erase this report from its historical record. The public deserves the truth, not a justice system that can be manipulated to hide it. So not only are they suing for the release of the reports, but they're also like, also, court, can you rule that she's not allowed to rule anymore on any of this? I love that part. That's my favorite part. Like, don't just overturn her. Smack her around a bit. Legally, of course, speaking. Tell her that she's done hiding all of this and covering up Trump's corruption. Because God knows if she gets the chance, she's going to keep doing it. Because Judge Cannon is absolutely gunning for a spot on that U.S. Supreme Court should Clarence Thomas or Alito decide to leave. She wants it. She's probably the front runner for it. And she'll keep protecting Donald Trump until she gets it. Thanks for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and do not forget to like and comment and share widely among your friends.